if you want to change the system clone password on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Now, over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to go to security and privacy, and then we're gonna go to device unlock and then choose the screen lock. We need to enter the password for system clone, the current one of course, and then we can once again choose the password type that we want to use. So in this case, of course, ideally you want to use the same one that we use for the main password. I'm not sure if we can actually change to something completely different. Let's see if it's gonna work. I'm actually gonna switch to pattern. So let's say I'm gonna use something like this. There we go, let's enter it twice. All right, the password has been set, so let's tap on done. There we go. And now we're gonna switch back to the lock screen. And in this case, we can indeed unlock the pattern. But now I don't have the option to, of course, with the screen lock password to switch back to the main password, to the main system I mean, because I cannot really enter the pin code that I have set up. So in this case, of course, we still have access to this back to main system option over here. So we can use this button in the app drawer in order to quickly switch like this. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.